Guys, we're doing barbecued party wings in the Nuwave Brio Air Fryer coming up. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell next to it and get all the alerts on all the good stuff we're doing, all right? Now today, we're just doing a quick, easy video. We're using our Nuwave Brio Air Fryer to make some barbecue chicken wings. Little spicy barbecue chicken wings, all right? While you're asking why we're doing this a little differently, why you didn't get the clap at the beginning, I'm using a selfie stick. We're on the iPhone, having a little issues with the main camera. So we're going guerrilla style. We're doing it ourselves this way, all right? We're still gonna get the content through. We're gonna make sure we do this right. But again, it's gonna be with the iPhone. So I have audio put in, so you'll at least be able to hear me all right. We're gonna get in this Nuwave Brio and I'll show you how we set it up. It's already been preheating for about 5 minutes, going about 400 for about 10 minutes. We'll do a little flip, do a little bit more time, and then we'll sauce it up and just crisp it up and caramelize the sauce when it's about ready. All right guys, we're gonna go over the ingredients and prep at the same time, okay? So we have a little olive oil here. We got our party wings for the air fryer, all right? We're just gonna put just ever so slightly, just a little bit of olive oil in there so it sticks, okay? Just a little bit. I can't imagine it was more than a teaspoon. All right, then we got our very own rub here that Kirby sent us from Kirby's FishNGrill. The iCard will be right about where my thumb is. Okay, so go check out Kirby's channel. All right, we're gonna use this rub on here. Okay, liberal amounts, you know we like a lot of flavor. All right, and then we got a little slap your mama Cajun seasoning. So we're gonna add a little heat to this, just a little bit. This stuff, a little goes a long way, all right? But we wanna make these kind of hot wings. So we're gonna fry these up, get them almost done, pretty much done. And then we're gonna sauce them up with little JP's Caliente sauce, little barbecue sauce for these barbecue hot wings, all right? And I'll leave the iCard for this and link below so you can get some of this stuff too, all right? So all we're gonna do is mix this up, coat it a little bit, let it sit for a minute. We're preheating our Nuwave Brio right now, so we're just getting nice and ready to go. Okay, we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and then check it, and then we'll finish it up. All right, come on. All right, we got this thing preheated. Let's put our chicken wings in there, our little party wings. All right. I'm gonna do the skin side up on these flats, especially. All right, looks good. Turn these a little bit, move that around. Don't let that touch. All right, good to go solo. Okay, let's get this thing going. We got cook temp. We're gonna go all the way to 400 because we want this hot and fast, baby. All right, cook time, we're gonna go down to 10 minutes, okay? All right. Looking lovely. Can't wait to try these bad boys. All right, guys. First 10 minutes is up. Let's check it out. All right, looking crispy, crunchy. I think we gotta get another 5 minutes on these bad boys, and we'll get them sauced up. Now, come on back. All right, guys. We're done 15 minutes. Oh, just listen to that. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Crispy, crunchy. All right, I'm gonna check the temp and decide if we want to do more time. Come on back. All right, guys, these are temping out just fine. They're ready to be sauced. So we're gonna add a little of this JP Caliente sauce. Get all these sauced up right. And then we're gonna go another 5 minutes just to crisp up the sauce. And then we're gonna go another 5 minutes just to caramelize the sauce, all right? Come on back. All right, we got these all sauced up, looking real nice. All right, let's get another 5 minutes just to get it nice and caramelized, and we'll come on back for the taste test. Those are looking too good. Ooh. All right, y'all, we're back. I've shown you the drive-by, the flyby of all the goodness going on right here. These wings look outstanding. All right, I'm sure they got a nice little kick on them. I'm sure they're nice and spicy. I'm gonna grab me one of these flats right here. Ooh, look at that, looking good. All right, let's take a bite. What do you say? All right. Oh, that's good. I'm getting a little of that heat. It's all right. Nothing we can't handle. We can handle some heat. That's damn good. JP, that sauce is on point, brother. Oh. Another bite. Sorry about the guerrilla style of filming here, but we're getting the job done. All right, we ain't gonna mess around. We're gonna do this. We ain't gonna miss out because the camera's bugging out. We got other means. Come on now. All right, guys, this is very tasty. I'm excited to try this stuff. Getting that heat, not too much, just enough. Sweet heat, good stuff. Slap your mama in there, you know it's good. All right, guys, I will see you next time. If you want to purchase one of these Nuwave Brio Air Fryers, I have a link below in the description, and in the comments will be the pinned comment. Click on that, take you to my Amazon store. It won't cost you no extra money to get it, but you know, I might get a small commission off of it. So just what we need to help the channel grow and keep it going. If you would like to donate to the channel, I ain't gonna stop you. It's always appreciated. There's a PayPal link down below in the description too. Anything's accepted, everything's appreciated. All right, we'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.